if you guys want to learn how to get Boogie FN, make sure to keep watching, because in this tutorial I'm going to be going an in-depth tutorial on how to get Boogie FN, because literally we just got the Renegade Raider skin. Okay guys, but besides that, make sure you watch the full video because it's actually crazy, and Boogie FN recently launched their new update. So as you can see, we are in the lobby and we have 1,000,000 V-Bucks. But yeah, we also do have a TVD skin equipped right now. So there's a bunch of skins that you guys can actually wear in the lobby. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial, because I just keep getting the Renegade Raider and I'm going to show you guys how to do it, so make sure to keep watching. So basically what you guys want to do is go into the link of the description. It's gonna be a recognized link. Eventually that link should take you to this Discord server right here, which is Boogie FN. Basically with this, guys, you guys can download the Boogie FN hybrid server. So as you guys can see, there's going to be a bunch of channels, so make sure to actually react to the rules so you guys have access to all the rest of the channels. That's going to be the most important thing. But once you guys have done that, you guys just want to go into the Get Boogie In channel, which is right here. So yeah, they just recently released this, so you guys want to go into the Boogie FN.DEV website. Basically, what you guys want to do is just going to take you to the Boogie FN website, which is right here. And then what you guys want to do is go on download for Windows, and then you guys can go into the link-for-ties download or the regular download. The link-for-ties download is basically just downloading it through link-for-ties. So if you guys want to do that, you guys can do that. I'm going to do that really quick right here. So you guys want to go discover interesting articles and then close this out. And the Avast secure browser, just install the browser. And then once you guys have installed it, just double click on it and launch it. And then once you guys have launched it, you guys can always uninstall this after you guys have actually done this, but just launch it for now. So just wait for it to install, and then you guys can actually launch this. So once you guys have installed it, you guys want to launch it, and then you guys can type whatever. Just make sure you're engaging with the platform for like 10 seconds, and then it's going to recognize that you actually installed it. And then now you guys can actually uninstall this. So I'm just going to type in Avast and actually uninstall this, because I don't really need it onto my device, and it's just taking up space that is not needed. So I'm going to uninstall this. So if you guys do the link-for-ties process, you guys can do that. But yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys just want to close this out and continue to Boogie FN launcher, and then you guys can actually download the Boogie FN launcher through that. So once you guys have done that, just double click on the link-for-ties download and then just press yes. It's going to run as an administrator, so sorry if my screen went black. So you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. And then it's going to open a download. You just want to save the download, double click on the download, more info, run anyway. I do want to keep in mind, guys, that this does not modify your Fortnite account in any way, and this is not a virus. It just is a false positive. If you guys want more information on that, you guys can join the Discord, which you will be redirected to eventually. So it's going to ask for an authorization code. So once you guys are in Discord, it's going to be an authorization code. So you guys want to go on the rebrand authorization code and make sure you're in the correct Fortnite account on Epic Games where you're going to launch. So you guys want to copy the code and then just paste it into the launcher and then press login. And then now you guys want to go into back to the Discord server. So once you guys have logged in, it's going to press launch. You guys don't want to press launch yet because you guys do have to install a couple of more steps. So you guys want to go into the easy installer. So click the easy installer. It's going to take you to a GitHub link, which is right here. You just want to go on easyinstaller.exe, press save, double click on the download. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go type in D, and then where it says please enter a custom manifest direct URL, you guys can go back into the Discord server, and this is the manifest URL. So you guys can copy this and paste it into the easy installer. And then where it says please enter a game file location, you guys want to open up a new file explorer, right click, go on to desktop, right click, new folder. I'm going to call this Boogie FN updated. My spelling is so, okay, don't even mind that. Don't even mind that. So you guys want to go on copy this and actually paste it into the easy installer and then press enter. Now we're just gonna download a bunch of files into that file that you just downloaded. So it's gonna give you an ETA time. Basically, what that means is how long it's gonna take. For me, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. But for you guys, depending on your PC, it could even take up to an hour. So be patient with this. I already have this installed, so I'm actually gonna close that real quick because I already have it installed. I don't wanna sit there for 5 minutes. But yeah, now you guys wanna go on launch, and then it's gonna open up a file. It says please select the file path for 20.40. So you guys wanna go onto desktop and actually find that folder where you installed all the files into in the ease installer. So for me, it was Boogie FN, and then select folder, and then it's gonna take you to the Discord server. So yeah, once you guys already should be in that. But yeah, it's gonna take you eventually to Fortnite, and it's gonna launch automatically. And then once you guys are in the lobby, I'll show you guys what next to do. Also, guys, do comment W if you guys are still watching this video, as it does help me out. Make sure to subscribe and like for more Fortnite modding / Fortnite tech tutorials. But as you guys see, we are granted with the Renegade Raider skin. And yeah, and you guys may be asking yourself, well, I don't have the Renegade Raider skin when I load in. So you guys want to go onto the Discord server, and this is also an advantage that you get when you join premium. So you guys want to go onto the premium chat, and actually you guys can actually join premium. You guys can, I'm pretty sure you guys can boost twice, but you guys can just go into the premium features, and there's a bunch of features that you guys can actually do. So for example, if you guys, once you guys do get premium, you guys can type / and then go on Boogie FN, and then you guys can actually want to log in your Epic Games account and then type in premium. And then you guys may be asking yourself, well, how do I actually redeem the Renegade Raider skin? So you guys want to go on to the gift. So type in gift, and then you guys want to go and type skin, and then I'm just going to gift myself the Galaxy skin. And then it's going to send over the command. If it didn't work on the first try, you guys can do it again. My Discord is a little glitched right now, so I'm actually going to do everything. Okay, but unfortunately, currently the bot is down for me right now. As you guys can see, it was working just like a minute ago, but it's down. And I didn't, maybe on my part, but it should be working for you guys. So once you guys have done that, you guys should be granted with the Renegade Raider skin. So you guys can look into that. But for the free version, basically, you guys can get a million V-Bucks. My screen just went. Alright, but basically, the free version, you guys can get a million V-Bucks, 100,000 bars, and you guys also do get all the cosmetics for completely free. But if you guys want more information on the premium, like I said, it'll be in the Discord. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Peace out.